friends, I'm Yogesh. We last few days we are writing program in C for embedded system, and we had wrote few pattern program, and in that series we are writing third pattern here. And what is this pattern? I'll explain you one time so that you can understand what we are going to do. So how it is, like, say we are having the port 0. The port 0 is a 8-bit port, and like what I had done is I wrote FF in it, and then what I am doing is one by one I am shifting it up. So like one by one I am shifting, so 1 0 will come, and then 1 like this. One more time I will shift, then 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1, like that I will be keep shifting. Then 0 0 0 1. Oh, so many 0 I wrote. I'm so excited. One will go. 4 and 4. Yeah, great. So then it will be 1 1 1 1, and then keep going, and then later on it will become 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, like that. So what will happen now? Once it becomes 0 0, you have to reload the value again here. Okay. So let's go to directly to the program. I'm going to use old program here. What I did it, I just in port 0 I am just writing the FF, so that it will start from FF. It will come, it will delay one time, and then it will be moving the P0 content. It will move one time left side, and then it will assign to P0. That's all I have to do. And then but what happen, after some time this port 0 will become the equal to 0, and once it becomes 0, then I have to reload with some known values. I'll reload with the FF. So like that it will be pattern something like that. It will be all LED. This is all is LED. So all LEDs are glowing, and then 1 not glowing, 2 not glowing, like that 8 not glowing, and then it will be reloaded. Okay, so let's build it. Yes, great. Let's go and download, choose your file, upload, reset the board, and done. It's amazing. Programming is done. You can directly see, wow, pattern is already coming. You connect your hardware as shown in the diagram, and you can see the amazing pattern. You can play with around it. You can make many pattern you want. And going forward, in a next we are going to discuss the timer in C. So what we had done earlier, we wrote timer program in assembly, but now we are going to write timer program in C using polling mode. First we will write, and then we will write using interrupt mode. Friends, if you not done the assembly programming in this, please go ahead and do it, because here I am directly going to use it. You will not understand directly if you start at C. I know other of you people is done from beginning, but some of the people who came directly, for them I am saying it's for you, for your better future I am saying. And thank you for watching. I am really grateful. You people make us so successful. So many people are commenting us and liking us, and all your queries we are trying our best to answer, and we are committed to help you in learning. And even we had made many videos which is answering your queries, so you can have a look those videos also, and we will be happy to support you in any way we can. And if you need to have this board, write to us, and we will be happy to answer your query. And have a nice